Learning objectives include virusoids and prions. Virusoids, they're also known as satellite RNA. They're circular, single-stranded RNA viruses. They can encode one or two gene products, and they also need helper viruses to infect host cells. There was another term, viroid, in a previous lecture, that also they are RNA viruses, but the difference was that they only infect plants, and they didn't have a capsid, and they didn't have any gene that could code a product. And they also didn't need any helper virus to infect the plant cells. So these are the major differences that we see in virusoid and viroids. The virusoids, they are also RNA viruses, single-stranded, but they can encode gene products and can infect in the presence of a helper cell. Typical example we see of a virusoid is a human hepatitis D virus. It uses hepatitis B virus as a helper to infect the host, infect the liver cells of humans. Another infectious particle is an abnormal protein, which we call prions. Prions are proteinaceous infectious particles. They cause neurodegenerative changes or diseases. Example is scrapie in sheep and bovine spongiform encephalopathy, BSE. This is also known commonly as mad cow disease. In human, example is kuru in humans, although there are other examples also, other names, other diseases that are prion associated in humans as well. What are prions? Prions basically are cellular proteins that for some reason become abnormal. And they accumulate in cells to a degree where the functionality, the original functionality of the cell is deteriorated. How this abnormal protein is created is not known clearly. There are theories though. But one thing is known, that genetic plays a very important part in creating those abnormal proteins. So those individuals that develop these prion-related diseases, individual means humans or animals, they have a genetic component involved. So in summary, virusoids are single-stranded RNA molecules that can encode a few genes or gene products, and they need a helper virus to infect. And prions are abnormal forms of proteins that accumulate in the cells and cause dysfunctioning of the cells.